I'm back on a bike. It's been about 5 weeks since I got hurt. I can walk now, and I can ride. Still can't run or jump or anything yet, but it's good enough for now. Headed back to work on Monday. It's really nice to be out and moving. It's getting super bored just laying down all the time. This is the bike I crashed on. I was feeling a little bit twitchy the last time I rode it, so I changed the stem and the handlebars. It's feeling pretty good. We'll see how it actually feels when I go downhill. There's some thunder. I thought we were done with the rain, but I guess not. But look at that little burst of rain over there. That's crazy. There's like just one specific spot where the rain's just coming down. Well, hopefully I don't get rained on, but as long as it's not too bad, I don't mind. Here is Turtle Gulch, one of our favorite trails here. Looks like it's still closed. Look, great horned owls. They're nesting on this trail. That's awesome. Oh, you know what? Maybe I should go down the hill. It would be nice to like take a break in the car while it rains and then pop back out once it passes. All right, let's go down. That's a lot of rain. Look at the rain, here it comes, it's right there. I'm almost down, hopefully we can beat it down to the cars. Woo! Here we go, first couple drops of rain. Look, it looks like the main rain cloud is more that way. Woo! Oh, there we go, we're getting rained on. Luckily it's pretty light. Hello. Ah, she can't hear me because she's got AirPods. What to do, what to do. Well, it looks like it's not gonna rain too hard. Oh, I forgot, there's thunder too. I don't want to get struck by lightning. I don't know, do I yell at her? Or do I get close enough for her to see me? But if I do that, she might jump. If I yell at her, that's rude. Oh, I'll take this bypass right here, that's perfect. Oh, I'm not gonna make it to the car. Woo! Yeah! Oh, well, by the time I make it to the car, the rain will be over. I guess I'll just have to come back out for round 2 once the rain passes. Make good use of that hero dirt. That was awesome. 10 out of 10 would do again. Man, look at this. This is so cool. I would love to hit this if my ankle was better. That's a fun little drop. Well, with the rain and thunder gone, the sun is out in force. It's getting hot. So now I'm going to ride a different trail. It starts at the very top of Saltese Uplands. It's a really fun trail. It's not particularly technical, but it can get really loose and fast, and some spots really steep. It's a really fun trail. Woo! Made it to the top. Let's take it easy. I'm still recovering. Yeah. There we go. Whew. All right.